Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. So today we are going to open the new Sylvanian family's kitchen from Epoch. So those are Sylvanian family and also Calico creatures. They are the 2019 set. And today we are going to see how cute those teeny items are. So let's do this, guys. We are going to open up the box. So this is a kitchen counter. I should have brought here we are. So with scissors it's always better. So let's open this. So what do we have in the new kitchen counter? It's especially super cute. You can make actually donuts and waffles. More stickers to put as well on. So here we are. So we have a built-in sink into the kitchen counter, which is basically the modern kitchen. The middle of your kitchen, the heart of your kitchen, the heart of the Sylvanian kitchen or Calico creatures. So here we are. You can see some small details, flowers, lot of storage, and the front. Alright, so let's put this here, and we are going to put the items on it as long as we open them. So what do we have? We have scale, kitchen scale, up. So cute, so teeny. Not sure for you, but I love all those teeny items. They are really must for the photo and to play with. Actually, you can make some nice stories. Let's get rid of the box, up, and let's keep going. So we have some milk, because you need milk to make pancakes or waffles. So milk stickers, you need flour. So we have the sticker for it as well. Up. And we have the scale. Let's put the sticker on the scale straight away. Up, up. Let's do this properly if we can. Pretty good. That's the scale. The scale actually kind of works. There is a pressure. You can exert the pressure, so it will press depending on the weight, which is really cool. Alright, so we have everything we need to make waffles and pancakes. What do we need? We need milk. We need a plate. Very nice plate with some small details as well on it. Oops, sorry, I dropped the milk. Here's the milk. It will look even better with a sticker on. So let's do this right now. This time it will not take so long because we don't have many stickers. Let's do it this way. Whoop. Well, normally it's not going to take long. But who knows? Wow. It's gonna be super duper cute. I really love those tiny items. They are the best. Up, up. Boom! We have our milk. This is fresh milk. Up here. We are going to be able to start a new recipe very soon. We have the eggs. Pretty cute eggs. Really well done. We don't need to weight them, but it doesn't matter. We will. Alright, let's keep going, guys. We have a bag of flour, some donuts, and some waffles. House waffles. Very cute. Up. Let's put this here as well for now. I'm gonna get the sticker for the floor. Up. Oh my god, I'm dropping everything. Up. So here we are. Up. How cool is this? The sticker is changing everything. Up. Actually, we can put our waffles and donuts here. We have the tray to actually make those. So which is pretty cool, because if you want guys to make new one, extremely easy. You could just put some Fimo polymer clay inside. It will take the shape and you can do some reproduction thanks to those little cuties. So those are going in the machine, which should be here. Nice. A very cute pink machine, two pink machine, one to mix all the ingredients, and that's why we have this nice bowl over there. Up, you can actually drop this in. Ding, very nice. And here is a donuts slash waffle machine. So you know what you have to do. You have to clip those inside. Awesome. And same here. And now you can make some teeny one too. So that's really, really nice. Normally they would fit, they should fit. Up. They do, which is really cool. So let's close this. So when mommy cooked, oh, it's ready, it's ready. Okay, that's really nice. Let's put it here as well. Up, we have some room to tidy the items. Well, let's put them in the back of the kitchen. Mom likes things in order. Keep this in mind, guys. So that's it for this set. The kitchen counter table with the waffle. As you see, you can swap. Oh wow, this is spinning around. You can press here. So here are all the items that we just opened. And that's really nice. Look at this, guys. Alright, now let's open the other part of the kitchen. What you would put on the back of this counter. So here we are. I already on a previous video opened some different one, but still the same model, the 2019 kitchen. And they look really, really nice. I put a picture on Instagram as well. You can check. You have the link in the description of this video. I'm doing some miniature photo on my Instagram. Check it out, guys, and leave a comment to tell me you watch my video here. So here we are with a very nice oven. Let's open this. I love the colors. It's in between the modern kitchen and the old as well. I don't know why, there is really something to it that is really interesting. So another sink, it's gonna be two sinks in the bathroom, in the kitchen, sorry. Can we open here? I'm sure we can. Maybe we can't. Yes, we can. But actually it's not what I... Wow, nice, you have some... you can store the plate properly inside a frying pan. It's like a drawer. What about here? Nice. Proper drawer as well. You can hang things here. Up. Really nice. Here, what about the oven? Yeah, the oven opens. really cool. You can hang items here as well, such as what we got in the previous set. Up. Maybe not, but yes, you can. Really nice. So let's keep going on this box. We have more things, some small items, and we love the small items. So I can't recommend enough to get those really small items because they are the best. It's a lot of fun. So we have some kind of plates. We actually can put them here, even if this is not belonging here, but whatever. We have the knife, so let's tidy a bit. So there are different materials than what they used to be, though they are kind of silicone, not hard plastic like they used to be, which is really cool. This is a hard plastic, but this is more like a silicone. See, there is a, it's moving. It's really nice, really nice. So, you know what? Let's put everything into this drawer. It will be tidy, like Mom's wants it to be tidy. Oh, this will go somewhere else. We already know where. Maybe we can put this here. No, we can't. So let's put this here. And let's add, whoop, kind of spatula. And another one like this. Up. Sorry, little spoon. Up. Nice. Up. We put this here. We can steer whatever we are cooking. And the frying pan over here. So basically, the kitchen will look something like this on the picture. So depending the angle of the camera, you can really make some very nice things with mommy cooking. Nice. So what else do we have? We have some cup, and we have some, I'm not sure what you call this, to put actually on the frying pan, on the slow cook. Up. Nice. I am actually removing the glass from here. We have some teeny pot. Up. Okay, so this that I showed you earlier is to do a cake. Or, wow, it's really teeny. We will put them on the shelf here. This is where they will go the best. We can put teeny, you see, it's like if it's spices or, it's really nice. So you will understand why it takes me ages to take pictures when I'm putting my scene every day for my Instagram account, because the teeny items are extremely tiny. Maybe I should start using a tweezer. Yeah, I should. So this fall, it will stay like this for now. Don't want to have a very long video. The short, well, I like it short. Up. We can cut bread. We can actually put this here as well. And that's it for the kitchen. With all the items we just got. It's really nice. Really, really nice. Okay, I feel a bit bad to leave this like this. Hopefully I can take it back without breaking anything. Wow. And I'm gonna show you a close-up. Okay, I will try to take this and to fit it here. Yes, guys. Hopla. Boom. So for the close-up, let's do this like this. Here are all what we got today. Look how cool is this. You can definitely be taking a picture like this with a mother here. Let me grab a Sylvanian. Do we have a Sylvanian? Yeah, I have one here. Sorry, it's an old vintage guy, but it's a Sylvanian. So you see, it can be cooking or being, oh my god. Should I take a donut or waffle? Look, this is super cute. So that's it, guys. This is a new 2019 set from Sylvanian Families / Calico Creatures. I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe to my channel. Share the word. I hope you will like the new video as well. Let me know in comments what you would like to see. I will be more happy to do what you would like to see. And take care of you, keep smiling, and see you guys. Bye, take care.